Hello there. As I've been canvassing in this election, the number of people who have asked me how does PR work is quite large. Proportional representation means your vote will count, always. There is a misnomer that the candidate chooses where the second preference vote goes. Allow me to settle this one quickly. The candidate does not choose at any stage where anybody's vote goes. It is you, the elector, the member of the electorate, the voter. You choose where your vote goes by choosing in order of preference 1, 2, 3, etc. Your vote can go to someone other than your first choice under two circumstances. The first circumstance is by the process of elimination. If the candidate you chose as your first choice is eliminated, so let's say candidate A is eliminated, then every first preference vote for candidate A is taken out of the pile, and they are re-examined with a view to the second preference vote on every one of the ballot papers. And those are redistributed as new first preference votes to the other candidates. So candidate B, C, D, E, and F, and G, and whatever now get more votes because candidate A has been eliminated. There is a second way, and this is where the proportional aspect comes into it, where your vote can be redistributed. And that is if you voted for candidate A, let's call that me, and candidate A exceeds the quota. So let's say the quota is 10,000 votes and candidate A gets 12,000 votes. Then there are 2,000 votes surplus to be redistributed. How is that done? The 12,000 votes are sampled, so there might be a sample of 100 or 200 or 300 votes taken, and they are examined with a view to what the second preference is in those. So let's take, for example, there's a redistribution of 20% going to candidate B, 30% going to candidate C, and the other 50% going to candidate D. You now have the situation where the 2,000 surplus are redistributed along the lines of that sample ratio or that proportion. That's where proportional representation comes into it. And that's where the ratio for the redistribution of an excess comes from. I hope that goes some way to explaining it. Remember, it's your vote and only you get to say where your vote will go, not a candidate. You, the elector. You, the voter. Thank you.